counting 1 to 10 for toddlers. Look at the rainbow toy train. We will count numbers 1, 2, 3, all the way to 10. Hello, little learners. Welcome to Zuzu Learning Time. Today, the friendly number train rolls into the garden. Listen, look, count, and say the numbers with me. Number 1 is here. 1 red apple rides in the first train car. Count with me. 1. Say 1. Great counting. Number 2 is next. 2 oranges roll gently in the train car. Count them. 1, 2. Say 2. Here comes number 3. 3 yellow bananas wave hello. Count slowly. 1, 2, 3. Say 3. Quick review. 1 apple. 2 oranges. 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. The number train is moving slowly. Number 4 is a green pear car. For green pears smile together. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Say 4. Number 5 is a blueberry car. 5 blueberries bounce softly. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say 5. Number 6 is a purple plum car. 6 purple plums ride safely. Count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Review time. For pears. 5 berries. 6 plums. 4, 5, 6. You are learning numbers. Number 7 is a pink flower car. 7 little flowers sway in the breeze. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 8 is a golden star car. 8 friendly stars twinkle softly. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9 is a teal balloon car. 9 small balloons bob up and down. Count slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Number 10 is the rainbow car. 10 colorful dots make a happy rainbow. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big number review. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The train carries every number. Can you find the number? Which car has 1 apple? Number 1. Which car has 5 berries? Number 5. Which car has 10 rainbow dots? Number 10. Let us count one more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wonderful counting. Great learning, little friends. Thank you for counting with ZuzuSprout Kids. Give the number train a gentle wave. Goodbye.